Before the app can help you, it needs to understand your unique body's constitution, what we call as Prakriti. Think of it as it is your body's natural blueprint. This short assessment takes just 5 minutes and it forms the foundation of everything the app recommends for you. Ayurveda recognizes three fundamental energies called doshas. Vata governs movement, Pitta governs metabolism, and Kapha governs structure. Most people have a combination of all three, with one or two being dominant. That is what we are discovering.
The most important tip: answer based on your lifelong patterns, not recent changes. If you have been stressed lately and sleeping poorly, but you have been a good sleeper your whole life, choose the lifelong pattern. And if you are genuinely unsure about a question, select not sure. It is better to skip than to guess.
Each question has three options representing the three doshas plus not sure. You need to answer at least 8 out of 12 questions. The progress bar at the top fills as you go. Here is a tip I give all my patients when answering these questions. Think about what your family members or friends would say about you. Sometimes others observe our pattern better than we do ourselves. Once complete, you see your dosha percentages and a detailed profile. This includes your health strengths, vulnerabilities, which seasons need extra care, and key health priorities. This is your permanent Ayurvedic blueprint. Take a moment to read through your profile. Understanding your natural tendencies helps you make sense of all the recommendations the app will give you. You can always revisit this from your profile section. After your results, the app asks if you would like to assess your current health condition. We recommend doing this right away. It unlocks your personalized healing plan. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers. We are simply discovering your natural tendencies. And if you feel that your answers were not accurate, you can always retake the assessment later. Take your time and trust your instincts.